Hey guys, how's it going? How to get a EP code in GoDaddy. To get an EPP code, also known as authorization code from GoDaddy, go to the official website of GoDaddy and then navigate to my products and find the domain for which you need an EPP code, and then click on manage next to the domain. Scroll down to the additional settings and then click on get authorization code, and the EPP code will be sent to the administrative email address associated with your domain. Your APP code will be emailed to you shortly, allowing you to transfer your domain to another registrar. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.